Hey there, today I'm going to be revealing my mystery box for Universal Standard for 2026. I pretty much get one of these every year, although looking back, I think I skipped last year. I can't remember, but I try to be consistent and get one because I like this brand a whole lot. So if you are interested to see what I got from Universal Standard this year, stick around after the break. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Channel's been treating yourself to a little bit of luxury, whether that be your cup of coffee, favorite fragrances, skincare, handbags, all the fine things we love to treat ourselves to. And sometimes I treat myself to fashion. Granted, the thing is, there's not a whole lot of luxury fashion available for people of size. However, Universal Standard, right here, this lovely brand here, I think I classify them along the lines of, I'm going to put this down real quick, of luxury fashion to me, because the fabrics and many of the designs that they come up with are very high end, in my opinion. And while I don't shop with them consistently, when I do, I know I'm getting a very high quality product. What I love the most about them is the fact that they're rooted in inclusivity, and everything comes out in the range of sizes from 00 all the way up to size 40, or I think it's a double extra small to, I think it's 4XL. And the way that they do the sizing is a little bit non-traditional. So my box today is going to be in the size XL, which I actually am more of a 3X in traditional sizing. So I'll put up their size chart and how things relate on their spectrum. But I really do enjoy the philosophy behind this brand. So this year, I believe they had, oh God, I want to say at least a dozen mystery boxes for sale. And I decided to go with the surprise me box, and I rarely do that because that's scary to me. I mean, it's the best value. I think it was $178, remember correctly, and it was going to be worth up to like $1,100. Maybe I'll put it up on the screen what exactly it was. But they had a variety of themes, price points, what the value was going to be, how many items you get. Mine, again, was going to be 4 items, complete mystery. And typically I play it safe. I go for like the t-shirts or the athleisure box or whatever, structured safe, because it's enough of a chance that it's probably going to be some color that I'm going to hate. And one year I got some colors that it's like one thing out of the entire box was something I would wear. Everything else was like, okay. Ended up being like, I wore it like as a night shirt. I ended up just giving one thing away. And I think that I sold the other thing on ThreadUp. So it was like, it can be, it's a chance. You're taking a big chance. So this one was a huge leap to do, completely surprised me, because you don't know what you're gonna get. It's basically whatever they choose, and it can be anywhere from outerwear, leggings, underwear. They have foundational pieces, and they have jean jackets, jeans, whatever. And I don't wear a lot of jeans, so this is a big jump for me. But anyway, that was a lot to say that I have 4 pieces. It squeezed into this little, but I think it's pretty little, but it's actually a pretty massive bag. But did a quick peek. Colors look good. Colors look good. So, okay. I'm just like, oh, okay. Whew. All right. So what I think we're going to do is I'll take everything out one by one. I have some hangers over here on my little room divider. And as we unpack them, I'll hang them up, and then I'll probably do some mod shots and insert those images after I'm done, but I'll put them in kind of here and give you a kind of a review of what I've got. So let's get started. I'll go in there and I did sneak peek at the color, but let's just grab an item the best I they're tight. All right. So this was the one I got excited about because purple is my favorite color. This is what I saw was this eggplanty kind of color. So I'm hoping that is there anything on here that tells me anything? It just says XL. And that's it. I see some buttons. So, ooh, the oh, it's a coat. The fabric looks really nice. Oh, wow. Oh, it's not a coat. It's a vest. Is this a dress? Oh, this is pretty. This is pretty. Oh, I'm going to love this for work. Oh, my gosh. It's like a linen, rayon-y. Is it linen? It's made in China. It's got extra buttons. Got a cute belt. I feel like I could wear this with a dress with a t-shirt underneath it. What is the fabric? It's almost more burgundy than eggplant, but I love it. Like a brown. I'll put it back here a little bit. That is good. That is a good start. Okay. Yay. Item number 1. And I'll insert what that will look like once I try it on. All right. Item number 1. Yay. Good start. Item number 2, which is very thick and green. Oh, this is so soft. So soft. Another dress with a belt. Ooh, keyhole back. Made in Peru, this one. Like an A-line, it's got pockets. That is going to be fun. All right. That's pretty. I love the back. That's really pretty. I like the belt. That's nice. That's a nice little extra. Okay, putting that right there. Fun. Oh my gosh. 2 more. I think this is a V-Rex. They're tees. I have a lot of their tees. They're so comfy. No, this is a dress too. Am I gonna get all dresses? Wow. For the surprise me box, this will be a great summer. This is the Geneva. And the reason I know that is because of the hem. It has kind of a point to it. Oh, wow. Okay, that's going to be a really fun summer dress. I really like to wear these light cotton dresses in the summer. And that's going to be really nice for work as well, especially here at home. It's a really nice cut. No pockets, just a stripe. Pretty. 3 dresses. That's interesting. I don't think I've ever gotten a box, because they have a box that's all dresses. Interesting. All right. Last one looks to be black, which is like my signature color. And it's a sweater. Could be navy. Or gray. Charcoal? I think it's charcoal. It's a skirt. Okay. Wow, that's going to be cozy. That'll be really cozy for winter. Yeah, so I could probably wear it as a dress, frankly. It's very long. I mean, on me, I'm so short, it's going to my ankles. I literally could wear it as, as a moo. I would not, this is not something I would buy. I'm not mad at it, but it's not something I would buy. I would have preferred it to be cardigan. So that's probably the one thing I'm not as happy about. So of the three, least happy about the skirt. I think I like the green dress the most. Not mad at the Geneva. I think I really like the vest. Gotta figure out what I would wear with it. I like the buttons the most because they're got this trim, like abalone trim on them, half moon. It's really pretty. All right. Well, that was my surprise me box. It wasn't bad. Was it perfect? No, but it wasn't bad. I think those three items alone were worth the box. This, again, not thrilled, but not don't hate it. It would be a fine skirt to wear out in the winter. So just gonna go into storage for now. But those ones I could wear here starting soon. So all right. Well, that's my mystery box. Thanks for joining me and coming along in the process. Do you shop with mystery? Well, mystery box is A. And do you shop with Universal Standard? Do you use other brands mystery sales to fill out your wardrobe? I mean, it's quite chancy when you don't know what colors you're getting. So I know it's a bargain, but I think I won. I think this is a good mystery box. So all right, I'll see you on the next one. Take care.